Excellency, Council members have a particular packet for you this morning. And with due respect, I would want to, with respect, request you to start at the beginning, but I will see what you do.
I thank you very much. First of all, let me reiterate to all of you that a lot of stories are going around about what is happening. I've told everyone in this country that I can make mistakes. And I want to hear them out and correct them. Perfection is that of God Almighty. I have absolute confidence on the integrity of my chief of staff. All campaign of calumny and insinuations should stop. The buck stop here. If I make mistake, I'm ready to own up to it. And we're all joining hands to fight corruption. I'm the one to enforce the law along with you. Let me also say the planning of events about the government must be well articulated and followed. Any comment or talking point of the president or speeches must be ready in advance. If it affects your ministry or not, if you have things to add, when we have events, make it available as quickly as possible. If the SGF is not around, make it available to the Chief of Staff. My speeches must, any draft, must at least be to me in advance so that I can have my input accordingly. Yesterday, we had a very good showing. And I thank all of you for sparing your Sunday to attend to national event. The visit of the Chancellor of the Republic of Germany was to me a success. We needed more time, but we were able to cover a lot of ground. And we must take our reform seriously. The investors are interested in us. We must think inclusively to see how we can improve and seize the opportunity. There's a lot of competition around us. in Africa continent. And there's a lot of competition around Europe as well. But there's opportunity. Even though you are struggling to get support to Nigeria, we are determined to transform the economic landscape of this country. And like I said, investors and investment are cowardly. They don't follow conflicts. Think outside the box, how we can do things better. To that end, I declare the meeting open. So the press, you can get rid of you.
Sir, Your Excellency. 1 minute. Forest, the progressive builder of men and nation, His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu GCFR, President Commander-in-Chief, the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu GCFR, President Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the 16th President of this great nation, is a remarkable, progressive, visionary, and tribalized leader who has made personal sacrifices to advance the common good in Nigeria and beyond. Everywhere faith and destiny is taken him to, he demonstrated courage, grace, and parallel leadership acumen, and left indelible marks in the sands of time. To his credit, His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu, a grassroots politician, as being a senator, governor, and his own president. President Tinubu possesses strong values of determination, commitment, purpose, integrity, patriotism, and an uncommon sense of purpose that are the hallmark of his brand of politics. He's easily recognizable today as one of our nation's most successful governors since independence. His performance in Lagos State as a two-term governor remains a flagship reference point for good governance in Nigeria. It is significant to note that Bola Ahmed Tinubu is one Nigerian politician that has demonstrated fidelity to his political party since 1999. He remained a formidable member of the party in opposition, thereby helping to salvage multi-party electoral democracy in Nigeria. As the national leader of the All Progressives Congress, it is on record that he drove the process and the machinery led to the emergence of the opposition party as a winner of the 2015 general elections. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has fought numerous battles and always came out victorious. He has won electoral victories as senator and governor. He was in the forefront of the battle for survival of democracy in Nigeria, heavy and great personal risks and losses. He prevailed over several local battles, some politically motivated. As governor of Lagos State, he brought ingenuity to play when the constitutionally guaranteed allocations came under siege. He successfully navigated several formidable obstacles on the road to his emergence as the president of Nigeria. Most recently, he prevailed as the Supreme Court of Nigeria in an epic battle that has come to define the quality and depth of democratic system in Nigeria. Under his leadership, Nigeria overcame the P&ID saga. Consistency, governance, and truthfulness remain the weapons of victory deployed by this giant politician of our time. As a visionary leader with a track record of performance, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, in his quest to deliver on the dividends of democracy to Nigerians, has identified 8 priority areas and a renewed hope agenda. You are both familiar with them. Known for his special ability to making the right choices, as picked up as cabinet members, out of over 200 million Nigerians, to strengthen the hope of Nigerians on these 8 priority areas. This is a demonstration of implicit trust, and he deserves our resounding commendation and standing ovation. Members of the Federal Executive Council and everyone in the Council chambers, for all these positive attributes of leadership, victorious political battles, blessed with principles, like our victory at the Supreme Court of Nigeria, economic victory on the P&ID matter, and for the implicit trust in us as cabinet members. And on request, you all to rise to a resounding round of